Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, let us learn about binary search trees. Now what is a binary search tree? A binary search tree is a binary tree which has some special properties. So let us understand those properties by taking an example first. So let us consider an example of a binary search tree. So 18, then its two children. So 12, 7, 15 and say 13. And this as say 17, 20, 22, 21 and say 27. Now this binary tree is a binary search tree. Now one thing you must be wondering, that what is special about this tree that we are calling it a binary search tree? So the answer lies in the properties of the binary search tree. So let us discuss them. The very first property is that the left subtree of a node, so let us take 18, and the left subtree of this node is this portion. So the left subtree of any node should contain only nodes with data that is lesser than the node's data. So if I take 18, whatever I have in the left subtree, the data for each and every node in the left subtree must be less than 18. So 12 is less than 18, 7 is less than 18, 15 is less than 18, 13 is less than 18, 17 is also less than 18. Now if I take 12 into consideration, so the data that I am having in the left subtree of 12 is 7, which is definitely less than 12. Here also it holds. Now for 15, the data present in the node in the left subtree of 15 is 13 and it is less than the node's data, and therefore here also the property holds true. And now let us talk about the right subtree of 18. So let me use some other color for this. So this is the right subtree of our root node, and here you can see the right subtree of the node with the data 18 contains only nodes with data greater than 18. So 20 is greater than 18, 22 is greater than 18, even this is greater than 18, and 27 is also greater than 18, right? Now let us check if this definition recursively holds for each and every node of the binary search tree. So if these properties holds true for each and every node of this binary tree, then we can safely say that this binary tree is also a binary search tree. So let us talk about 12. The right subtree of 12 is 15, 13 and 17. So this portion, and you can see that the data of all the nodes that are in the right subtree of 12 are greater than 12. So for 12, both the left subtree and the right subtree satisfy the condition of binary search tree. If I talk about 18, all the nodes that are there in the right subtree of 18 are greater than 18. If you talk about 20, all the nodes that are there in the right subtree of 20 are greater than 20, right? And let's talk about 22. All the nodes that are there in the left subtree of 22 are less than 22. So 21 is definitely less than 22. And finally, the node 27 is to the right of 22 and is greater than 22. So for this node as well, the property of binary search tree holds good. So this entire tree is a binary search tree, or you can say a BST.